resolution congratulating and commending Bini for attaining the historic milestone of being the first Filipino act to perform the Coachella Valley Music and Arts Festival in Indio, California, and for bringing pride and honor to the Philippines.
Mr. President, may we recognize our distinguished colleague, who, by the way, is celebrating his birthday tomorrow, Mr. President, no other than Senator Bam Aquino, to sponsor the measure.
Senator Bam Aquino is recognized to sponsor the measure.
Mr. President, Majority Floor Leader, mga kasama, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. I rise today to sponsor a resolution congratulating and commending the Filipino P-pop group Bini for their historic performance at the Coachella Valley Music and Arts Festival in California, USA. Sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon, isang Filipino group ang nagtanghal sa isa sa pinakamalaki at pinakasikat na music festival sa buong mundo. Masasabi po natin na ang tagumpay na ito ay isang salamin ng galing at talento ng Pilipino sa pandaigdigang entablado. Ang tagumpay ng Bini ay isang panalong dapat ipagdiwang sa gitna ng mga hamon at krisis na kinakaharap ng ating bansa. Sa kanilang pagtatanghal sa Coachella, pinamalas nila ang ating Filipino pride sa pamamagitan ng pagsasama ng mga tradisyonal at pantropiko na elemento sa kanilang kasuotan, musika at koreografiya. The cherry on top was when Bini introduced themselves in our native languages. Higit pa rito, ang kanilang tagumpay ay nagsisilbing inspirasyon sa napakaraming kabataang Pilipino na mangarap at maniwala na kaya rin nilang maabot ang world stage. Sa bawat hakbang ng kanilang karera, pinakita ng Bini ang antas ng dedikasyon at disiplina na kailangan upang magtagumpay sa global arena. Mr. President, ang tagumpay na ito ay hindi lamang panalo para sa industriya ng musika, kung hindi para sa buong Pilipinas. Pinatutunayan nito ang lumalaking potensyal ng ating creative economy at ang kakayahan nitong magbigay ng dangal at oportunidad sa ating mga kababayan sa buong mundo. Kaya naman, Mr. President, huwag muna tayong umuwi hanggat hindi natin naipapasa ang resolusyong ito bilang pagkilala sa pambihirang tagumpay ng Bini. Kaya muli po, congratulations kay Maloy, kay Mika, kay Sheena, kay Joanna, kay Gwen, kay Stacy, kay Ayat, kay Colette sa Bini. Ito po'y isang panalo para sa bawat Pilipino. Maraming salamat, Mr. President, mga kasama.
Thank you, Senator Aquino.
Thank
Majority
you very much,
Leader.
Mr. President. On the part of the minority, we have Senator Joel Villanueva, who would like to also deliver his co-sponsorship speech.
Senator Joel Villanueva is recognized.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. Thank you, Majority Leader. Mr. President, mga kasamahan, buong puso pong sumusuporta ang representasyon na ito sa Senate Resolution number 370 congratulating and commending Bini for making history as the very first Filipino group to perform at the prestigious Coachella Valley Music and Arts Festival. Hindi lang po ito simpleng performance sa international stage. Isa po itong makasaysayang tagumpay para sa OPM at para sa bawat Pilipinong nangangarap na makilala sa buong mundo. Sa una pong pagkakataon, may isang all-Filipino girl group na tumuntong sa isa sa pinakamalaking music festival sa buong mundo, proudly carrying original Filipino music on the global stage. Gaya po ng ating birthday celebrant, pipilitin ko pong magbanggit ng kanilang mga kanta sa kanilang mga album, Mr. President, sa speech na ito. At hindi lang po sila basta nakasama sa lineup, Mr. President, talagang nagmarka po sila. Bini ranked third among the top Coachella artists based on earned media value or EMV, generating an impressive $5.4 million. Next only to Justin Bieber with $6.9 million and Sabrina Carpenter with $6.4 million. Sila rin po, Ginoong Pangulo, ang most viewed female act on Coachella's Instagram during the whole festival. In fact, Mr. President, pagdating po sa total online engagement, pumangalawa po sila kay Justin Bieber. Isang tunay na cherry on top sa makasaysayang pag-angat ng OPM at talentong Pilipino sa pandaigdigang entablado. Mr. President, hindi na po ito simpleng na. This is the nation's pride na. Sa harap po ng milyong-milyong manonood mula sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo, ipinakita ng BINI ang husay, disiplina at world-class artistry ng kabataang Pilipino. Pinatunayan nila na ang talentong Pilipino ay hindi lang pang-local kundi world-class. Hindi na kailangang mag-blink twice ang mundo para makita na kaya ng Pilipino makipagsabayan sa pinakamalalaking pangalan sa international music scene. At alam niyo po, Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, Senator Migs, napakaganda ng mensahe dito. Ang mensahe nito para sa ating mga kabataan na ang pangarap at buhay ay hindi dapat gawing karera. Dahil kapag may sipag, talento at dedikasyon, kapit lang and have no fear. Darating din ang tamang pagkakataon para sumikat ang sariling liwanag. Sa panahon na madalas tayong makarinig ng negatibong balita, BINI is our golden arrow, reminding us that Filipino excellence deserves the global spotlight. Kaya naman po sa ating phenomenal Filipino group na nagbigay inspirasyon hindi lamang sa kanilang mga blooms, kundi sa buong sambayan ng Pilipino. Maraming salamat po sa pagpapaalala na kapag Pilipino ang kumanta, sumayaw at nangarap, buong mundo ang nakikinig. Ngayon, hindi lang pantropiko ang init na dala ninyo, kundi pambansang pagmamalaki na umaabot sa buong mundo. Tunay ngang ang BINI ay hindi na lang simpleng girl group. Sila po ay simbolo ng bagong henerasyon ng world-class Filipino talent. Congratulations, BINI! Zero pressure, pero sigurado kami na hindi ito ang inyong huling tsa-tsa. The Senate is here with you as you continue to inspire and bring pride to all Filipinos around the world. Mabuhay po kayo, mabuhay ang OPM, at mabuhay ang talentong Pilipino. Maraming salamat, Ginoong Pangulo, and may God bless us all.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, we recognize Senator Erwin Tulfo, Mr. President.
Senator Erwin Tulfo is recognized.
Mr. President, esteemed colleagues, I rise to co-sponsor proposed Senate Resolution number 370, congratulating and commending the phenomenal P-pop girl group BINI for their historic achievement as the first Filipino act to perform at the Coachella Valley Music and Arts Festival in California recently. Oh shucks, tunay nga nakaka-proud ang tagumpay na ito. Sa entabladong kinikilalang isa sa pinakamalaki at pinakaprestisyoso sa mundo, buong ningning na ipinahayag ng ating mga kababayan, Uy, Philippines! Mula sa ating bansang pantropiko na hitik sa kultura, kulay at talento, BINI has become a vibrant reflection of who we are as people. Warm, dynamic, and world-class. Sa kanilang pagangat, Ginoong Pangulo, kanilang pinapakita ng mga Pilipino, lalo ng ating mga kababaihan, ay kayang humarap sa kahit anong hamon ng may zero pressure. Buwang tiwala sa sarili, matapang na lumalaban at handang ipakita sa mundo ang sariling galing at husay. Cherry on top, ika nga ang tagumpay na ito. Bunga ng sipag, tiyaga at dedikasyon, patunay na ang talentong Pilipino ay may puwang sa pandaigdigang entablado. At sa buhay, bagamat hindi ito isang karera, malinaw na tayo hindi papahuli. Sa tamang pagkakataon, kaya nating umangat, bit-bit ang sariling identity, dangal at husay. Ginoong Pangulo, ang tagumpay po ng BINI ay tagumpay ng bawat Pilipino. Ito ay paalala na ang pangarap ay kayang abutin at ang ating talento ay mararating. Uy, Philippines! Nandito na tayo at hindi na tayo mapipigilan pa. Mabuhay po ang BINI, mabuhay ang galing ng Pilipino.
Maraming salamat, Mr. President.
Yes, Majority Leader.
Next to co-sponsor the measure is the distinguished kuya of Senator Erwin, no other than Senator Raffy Tulfo.
Senator Raffy Tulfo is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. Nung nalaman ko po na ating paparangalan ang BINI ngayong araw, sabi ko, tatayo talaga ako dahil may gusto po akong isumbong sa kanila. Sa mga miyembro ng BINI, Bakit naman magmula nung magsimula kayo, wala nang iba sinasayaw ang mga staff ko tuwing Christmas party? Totoo yan, kundi mga kanta ninyo. Pantropico, Salamin at Carrera. Kidding aside, the popularity of Bini is undeniable, both here and abroad. And their presence in Coachella is proof of this. But more than just taking the stage in the most popular music festival in the world, I commend Bini for taking the Filipino people, heritage and culture along with them in their journey. Bini's brand screams Pinoy. In their songs, they use references that's innately Filipino tulad ng larong pambata na Shagidi. When you listen to their music, you can hear native instruments and sounds. Their lyrics, while in our native language, are being sung and danced by foreigners as well. Their dance choreography features move from folk dances. Their costumes use native products and designed by popular as well as up-and-coming Filipino designers such as Francis Libiran, Renan Pacson, and Raf Villas, among others. And of course, the famous Pantropico is an invitation to the world to come to our country and experience our beautiful tropical country. I hope, as Bini continues in their journey, they continue to bring the Filipino people with them. Sa mga miyembro ng Bini, sigurado ako na malayong-malayo pang mararating ninyo at kami mga Blooms ay patuloy na susuporta sa inyo. God bless and mabuhay. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you very much, Mr. President.
All right, Majority Leader.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. Mr. President, next to co-sponsor the measure is Senator Jinggoy Estrada.
Senator Jingo Estrada is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, my dear colleagues, please allow this representation to co-sponsor proposed Senate Resolution number 370, congratulating and commending Bini for attaining the historic milestone of being the first Filipino act to perform at Coachella in Indio, California. Bawat araw mas sumasaya magmula nang makita ka. Ganyan din ang pinamalas na galak at kasiyahan sa sambayan ng Pilipino ng tinaguriang Nations Girl Group, Bini, nang magtanghal sila ng dalawang magkasunod na linggo sa isa sa pinakamalaking music festivals sa buong mundo. It is a long time coming for Pinoy pop to make it to the global stage and make Filipino music reverberate around the world. And Bini made all of it possible with their trending performances at Coachella. Bini truly made history as the first all-Filipino girl group to perform at Coachella 2026, taking the Mojave stage on April 10 and April 27, 2026. The Pinoy pop group received high praise with their performance covered by international outlets like Forbes, The Hollywood Reporter, and The Rolling Stone. Thank you for making us proud, Bini. Mabuhay ang musikang Pilipino. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po, Ginoong Pangulo.
Majority Leader.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. Mr. President, Senator Mark Villar would just like to insert to the record his sponsorship speech. Mr. President,
Thank you.
earlier
We'll place
today,
that on record.
Thank you. Earlier today, puro lalaking senador po ang nakalista dito sa pag-sponsor na nakakalata na po ang sponsor sa ating P-pop giant Bini. Pero ngayon po ay dalawang membro natin na kababaihan nating senador ay gusto rin po mag-sponsor at mapakilala na bilang co-sponsor nitong measure. Let's recognize our distinguished colleague, our Deputy Majority Floor Leader muna, Senator Risa Ontiveros.
Senator Risa Ontiveros is recognized.
Salamat po, Mr. President. Dahil gaya ng sinabi po ng Majority Leader, baka akalain ng Bini, yung mga lalaki lamang ay sumusuporta. Kami rin pong mga babae dito ay sumusuporta sa inyo. Congratulations to Bini for a wonderful Coachella run. Kina Aya, Colette, Gwen, Joanna, Maloy, Mika, na pinuntahan ko ang kanyang Women's Month event, Mr. President. Kina Sheena at Stacy, you make our country and all of us Filipinos proud. It was such a Pinoy proud moment, not only to see Filipinas sharing the global stage with other world-class artists, but also to hear our beautiful language sung so passionately and so joyfully to millions of viewers around the world. Gusto ko rin pong mag-shout out, Mr. President, sa mga Blooms. Kasama na si Bloom, Senator Raffy. Mga Blooms na minsan ko na rin na-meet para mag-promote ng mental health at safe spaces. Doon nga po sa event ni Bini Mika. Young women really do have a good role model in all of you. Ngayon, marami na ang tumitingin sa Bini, hindi lamang bilang mga performers at musicians, kundi bilang patunay na ang Pilipina ay kayang-kayang sumabak at umangat saan man siya sa mundo. Alam kong napakarami yun ang pinagdaanang challenges. Bilang public figures, bilang kababaihan, pero andito pa rin kayo. Patuloy na sineshare ang inyong talent worldwide. Magandang paalala ang mga salita sa kanta nilang Karera. Hindi naman ito karera, pwedeng magdahan-dahan. Sa bawat panibagong umaga, ang pagsimula muli ay isang tagumpay na. Maraming salamat for inspiring all of us, for showing that with enough support and access to opportunity, Filipinos can reach even greater heights. Maraming salamat sa pagpapakita sa buong mundo ng talento at husay ng Pilipino. Mabuhay kayo.
Mr. President,
Majority Leader.
Senator Bongo would like to just insert into the record his co-sponsorship speech for PS 370.
So inserted into the records.
And finally, Mr. President, we'd like to recognize yung gusto pong maging manager nila. The current carpenter, the carpenters of the Senate. Walang iba kundi si Senator Lauren Legarda, Mr. President.
Senator Lauren Ilang Regarda is recognized. Waling-waling.
Boss, waling-waling po. Hindi po
Waling-waling, I stand corrected.
President,
Senator Pangilinan, what is your pleasure?
Mr. President, pwede rin pong waling-waling o kaya bini-bini.
Oh yes, yes.
Bini-bini.
I stand corrected, waling-waling.
Mr. President, para po patunay na hindi lang VST ang aking paborito, pati po Bini. Bagamat hindi ko po itong henerasyon at memoryado ko at sumasayaw ako sa mga kanta ninyo ng VST, sa totoo lang, it was like last year, si Alex Gonzaga ang nagpamulat ng aking awareness at gustong-gusto ko, palagi akong pinakikinggan sa Spotify ang Pangtropiko at Salamin-Salamin. Totoo yan. Tas kaya nagulat ako, nandyan sila. Okay, Mr. President. At waling-waling po, hindi po ilang-ilang yung ating pinasang yung in-sponsor ko. I'll explain to you later. Okay. So natutuwa siguro yung mga bata that they see us in all seriousness in social media, but they see us despite all the political differences in a light mood, and that's because of the presence and success of Bini. So I rise to manifest my support for the resolution sponsored by our birthday boy, our esteemed colleague, Senator Bam Aquino, another presidentiable, beside the other presidentiable, magkakatabi, yan, no? Okay. Congratulating and commending Bini for attaining the historic milestone of being the first Filipino act to perform at the Coachella Valley Music and Arts Festival. As your chairperson of the Senate Committee on Culture and the Arts, I take particular pride in this achievement. Bini's performance is not only a triumph of original Filipino music and Philippine pop, it is a powerful affirmation that Filipino creativity, identity, and artistry belong on the world stage. Sa kanilang pagtatanghal sa isa sa pinakamalaking entablado sa mundo, ipinakita ng Bini na ang kulturang Pilipino ay hindi lamang salamin-salamin ng ating pagkakakilanlan, ito rin ay liwanag na kayang magningning sa harap ng buong mundo. Their music, choreography, and use of Filipino cultural elements carried the pride, energy, and imagination of our people to an international audience. Bini has truly shown that Filipino talent can travel far, bloom brightly, and make the world dance to our rhythm. Their journey reminds our young artists that there is no single carrera towards success. With discipline, creativity, and unity, they can carve their own path and reach the global stage. In adopting today's resolution, the Senate recognizes Bini's historic achievement and the growing strength of our creative sector. Ang tagumpay ng Bini ay inspirasyon sa ating mga kabataan na sa sipag, husay at pagkakaisa, kayang marating ng Pilipino ang pinakamataas na entablado sa ating mundo. Congratulations, Bini.
Thank you, Majority Leader. Oh, by the way, just in case our guests are wondering why there is no applause, it is prohibited to clap in the Senate during a session. So, but it's all right. You're exempted. All right, Majority Leader.
Mr. President.
Oh, Senator Pangilinan.
Yes, thank you, Mr. President. I will just manifest that I will submit my co-sponsorship speech and that be considered written into the records. But a brief manifestation, Mr. President. I came across the popularity of Bini about a year ago. I remember I was doing a TikTok live episode of my TikTok account. And one of the viewers said, "A naman dyan, Sen, A." So I said, ano yung A? And then a member of my staff said, "Sir, yung A, ganun din." Sabi ko, A. Ayun. So nag-A ako. That was a Saturday. Senator Bam and I had a program in DZRH. On Tuesday, the following week, I was in Lucena. And we had an event there. And the whole auditorium, when I entered, started screaming at me, well, towards me, saying, "Hey! Hey naman, Senator, hey!" I said, ganito pala kasikat ang Bini? Grabe. But I appreciate that Bini is using their fame as a new generation of Filipinos to show our talent worldwide. Maraming salamat sa inyong... I'm married to a performer. Perhaps some of you know that. In fact, she works with ABS-CBN, your mother station. And I know how difficult performing is. I know how challenging and the sacrifice and the long hours that you do. But it pays off in the end because you have been recognized for your talent and your skills. And I wish to congratulate you. Thank you, Mr. President. Thank you, Bini. Thank you, Majority Leader. Maraming salamat.
Majority Leader.
Thank you, Mr. President. And finally, Mr. President, siguro po ako lang ay napakasimpleng manifestation. Alam naman po natin ang ating napakasikat na mga artista, napakasikat na mga performers, but they're also human too. They all have their wants, their needs, their struggles. So I know the sacrifices na kailangan yung gawin because pag nawala na po, lalo na privacy, wala na po kayong privacy at yung training ninyo napakahirap at yung pressure sa inyo napakalaki. So not just this recognition that we should give them, but I think everyone should pray for them. Let's pray for them and help them, cope up with all the struggles that they're going through, Mr. President. Napakahirap din maging idol ng bayan. And so, I can offer prayer together with the whole sambayan ng Pilipino, the whole Filipino nation, for their success, because their success is our success, Mr. President. And with that, I move, since there are no other members who wish to co-sponsor the measure, it is 100% unanimously agreed upon by all our members, and we move to adopt proposed Senate Resolution number 370, taking into account PS Resolution number 382. I so move, Mr. President.
Any objection? Hearing none, proposed Senate Resolution 370 is hereby adopted and approved.
Thank you, Mr. President. Congratulations to Bini. we'd like to ask for a minute suspension to ask them to go up and rise to the podium, Mr. President.
Session is suspended.